Yo rookies, Andi here, back with another advanced OBS tutorial. I've been asked this question a few times. This is how to do the drunk kind of effect that Sushi Dragon's using. It kind of looks a little bit like this. It means that you can do it live in OBS at the touch of a button. It does look awesome and it can be toggled on and off as quick like this, however you want to use it. There's so many use cases. But before we get into the video on how to install it, make sure you do like the video. Also make sure you do subscribe because there's so much content on this channel to help you make the best stream possible, okay guys? So let's get on with it. Put your rock over the stone. Much love. So just with every plugin on this channel, if you've already kind of done this bit, you'll know how to get it installed. But we're just going to go to the OBS website just here on Exeldro's page, the Recursion Effect plugin, and look at this handsome chap. Definitely go and press that little subscribe button. Look, do it. So we're going to hit download and you'll see all the different versions. So pick the one that suits your platform. Mine's Windows 64, so I'm going to download that. Open this file up. It should be just a tiny file, so it'll take 2 seconds to download. And we're going to copy these two folders just here. Go to your C drive, and it's either in Program Files or Program Files 86. Mine's in Program Files, and you're looking for OBS-Studio, all lowercase. Open that up, right-click in here, and press Paste. I've got it installed, so it's going to ask me to replace. This is what you do if you want to update the plugin as well. But if you've not got it installed already, it will ask for administration privileges and everything like that to get it installed. Just say yes to everything. It's all cool and hunky-dory. And once that's done, we're going to open up OBS, and you'll see my pretty face just here using my other webcam. I'm going to add the filter onto it. You'll be able to tell if you've got it installed. If you right-click your source and go to Filters, you'll see effect filters, press the plus, and you'll see I've got quite a lot of different filter effects that I use on here. It can get quite complicated, and we're going to look for recursion effect. Open this one up. I'm just going to leave it as recursion effect for now. All these settings just here, I've kind of covered them in my other tutorial that we just saw. I'm going to put the delay to 50 milliseconds just for this example. The offset is moving where you want the recursion to happen, so you could make really trippy effects. I'll show you that in just a second. The scale is if you want it to be bigger, the recursion effect as well. But what we're going to do is we're going to be messing about with the inverse section. So if I will start waving now, you'll see it's kind of repeating that section. So that's the sort of thing that we're looking for. But to make that drunk effect, we need to add one more filter. So the filter we need to add is a color correction. I'm just going to leave it as color correction, and we're going to put it to the top by pressing the top arrow. So this happens first. And the only thing we need to do is turn down the opacity by 10. That just makes us slightly transparent, and that is what's going to allow the recursion effect to kind of repeat over itself, making that drunk effect. Let me just press inverse now for you. So press it inversed. You can see as I'm moving around the screen, it's kind of repeating itself, but because there's that transparent layer, it's kind of causing it to repeat on top of itself. And you can fiddle about with all these delays. So say I make a more delay, I can create a longer kind of repeat, as you can see just here. In fact, if I move away just there, you'll be able to see a bigger picture. You can offset it as well. So if I offset it, say by, we'll say 10, you can see the whole thing shifted across now. And you can create even more crazy effects. Do 100. It moves all the way over there. And messing about with this plugin, you can create so many weird effects without having to have a green screen at all. And anytime you want to reset it, you just turn it off. And then you turn it back on again, and it will carry on doing the effect. So that is pretty much all there is to it. Messing about with these little settings just here is what is going to make it personal to you. So mess about with the color correction as well. Maybe you want it more transparent, or you want to add a color overlay on top of that. I know, depending on what sort of effect you are looking for, try putting multiple cameras together. There's so many things that you can do. I want to know what you do. Show it me in the comments below, okay guys? Yes, use links. Do it. Let's just show you how to get it on a hotkey. So if we just hit close now, go to file, go to settings, and we go to hotkeys. Going all the way down the bottom, you'll see that I'm on scene 1. I'm using video capture device. So if I go all the way down to the, where is it? Video capture device just here, you'll see enable recursion effect. So put that on a hotkey. I'm just going to put control 2 for now and control 3 to disable. Press apply and press OK. Press Control 3, it stops it. Control 2, it all turns on. Just like so. So as easy as that, that is how to create the recursion effect and the drunk effect inside of OBS. Super simple to do. Like I say, please let me know what you get up to down below. Also, make sure you do like the video. Also, subscribe. You know, all the stuff that's going to help us out. Because I've got so many tips to give, okay? And until next time, guys, put your rock over the stone. Peace! Bye!